Unlikely. I'm way out of your league.
Fair. How's it?
Good morning.
It wasn't my fault. It's you that a car thief named Dodge.
Ourselves. I've been collecting ways to pretend we were married.
With Isabel, how did you know when it was over? Seth's in trouble. They need backup. I'm gonna call this. We'll shoot you.
That's just unreasonable.
A little rough at the safe house.
Yeah, he's...
Man, yesterday morning.
Of course. Call me Diana.
I don't.
Yeah, I made a pot.
No, thank
Through because it kept me out of the battered wife category.
That she died in a car accident. There's something off with it. Do you ladies have any advice? Surveillance and have.
I have been. It's not so bad. And it's not going to be forever.
Honestly, I wouldn't mind.
All right, start with the north side. Make note of everyone you talk to.
What about?
Master surveillance duty taken over?
Gray can't spare them. It won't.
All right, let's get packing.
It's creepy how easily he can...
Yes, Mrs.
You just hang up on the mayor?
No, maybe.
Hey there. I'm way out of your league.
Fair. How's it?
I'm on my break. I like taking my break in my car. My first break though. I'm so tired. I want to go home. I'll get through this. So yesterday I washed my car and I think it's gonna rain today. Every time it happens. I'm like starting to vlog my life. Or, you know, I'm trying to vlog. But my life isn't that interesting. It's just work, the gym. That's about it. But yeah, I'm Monica. Nice to meet you. I knew it. Freaking rained. And I barely washed it yesterday. Oh well. Just got off work. I was gonna go to the gym, but I'm like freaking exhausted. But I forgot to pack my lunch and I have to go to the store to make my lunch for the rest of the week. But yeah. But let's go get me some food to make. And I don't even know what to make. Maybe sweet potatoes with ground beef with avocado. But yeah, let's go. I don't know. So I only found these Japanese sweet potatoes. They're purple, but I don't know. Maybe I should get it. Got myself some avocados. Organic. I want something sweet. They have wafers. And it's hazelnut. And there's like, oh my gosh, I want one so bad. Well, it's like healthy. I got a sweet tooth. Got myself some wafers. I wanted to get the big bag, but I saw the small one. You know, I gotta save money. And I'm trying to lose weight. And eating sweets is not helping me. But yeah. Look at this. Bomb. I ordered some pho and some sushi and a hand roll, and I have to wait like about like an hour, so I'm not sure what I'll be doing during that time. And I have to go home and cook too for my meal prep. How am I supposed to be losing weight? And I've been eating so much. Oh my god, these are hella good. I'm not sure if it's like organic, because I went to this organic store, you know, trying to be healthy. I got myself some Japanese sweet potatoes, ground beef, and avocados. Well, we'll see how things go. God damn, these are hella good. Goodbye. I got my pho. I got my sushi. I got a hand roll of eel. And I'll be watching The Rookie. Gonna put some eel sauce. Razzle dazzle. Oh, that's too much. Oh no. Here's the hand roll. Dip it.
Got a problem.
No time for subtlety. The shark needs water.
So we gotta push it out the way? No need. Firefighters don't mess around.
Something was parked here until very recently. Maybe they saw something. Hey, Blaster had a switch car stashed in the warehouse.
Good night. See you tomorrow.